morning guys, welcome back. It's Thursday morning and we have such an exciting day today. We are going to do our dance class, so I'm really excited. We have a 1-hour private lesson and it's going to help us with our first dance. So I think we'll just learn a couple of, elements to our dance, maybe not the whole thing. I don't think even close to the whole thing, but we don't want it to be too long anyway. So just, a couple moves, and we're going to go get dinner and just spend some time looking at the sunset, hopefully, or just walking around the beach and just spending a nice little night together. Then tomorrow we actually are going to do a cooking class right in our neighborhood. It's so cute. It's called Prep, and I've always wanted to go there and try a cooking class. We're making steak, risotto, and chocolate mousse, which sounds so good actually. On Saturday we have my cousin's bridal shower. I made these cute little embroidered tank tops for her and this little handkerchief, and I think it turned out really cute. And yeah, Sunday should be pretty relaxing too, so I can't wait to take you guys along for our half-week adventures.
The world feels quiet and I don't mind. Your hand in mine slows down time. Every worry drifts like dust in air. Right here with you, I have no care. In this moment,
Okay, so we had our dance class. It was so much fun. It was about 45 minutes, and we got a couple moves that we are able to use for the wedding. We probably won't do a super choreographed routine though, so it was like the perfect amount of time for what we really wanted. Again, it was such a great gift. It was honestly something that I wouldn't have bought for us or for myself, so it was like perfect and it was awesome. And then we just spent the rest of the night eating at Walt's Wharf, which we've never been to, but it's like such an iconic restaurant in Seal Beach, or at least I think it is. And I've always wanted to go there. It was so good. I had the clam chowder, Connor had the ribeye, and then I also had the scallop and shrimp fettuccine. You guys, that was the best fettuccine I've ever had, ever. Fettuccine for me is like super amazing or just horrible. This was by far the best I've ever had. It was so good. And then we went and walked around, watched the sunset. Seal Beach is so cute. I would love to move over there in Old Town and just wake up in the morning and watch the sunrise at the beach and do little sunset walks, but it's expensive, and yeah, so I don't know. It's beautiful over there. That would be a dream. But tonight we have our cooking class, which I'm pumped about. I think I said earlier that we're doing steak, risotto, and chocolate mousse. It just sounds so good. I'm so excited for this cooking class. I think it's gonna be so much fun. I think the food's gonna be awesome. But I'll let you know, I've always wanted to do one of these classes, and I just never have. They're kind of expensive, but I think it'll be a perfect date night. It was actually a birthday gift from Connor, and I think that's another super sweet gift. And I'm really grateful, and I just can't wait. I think it'll be a great date night for us. Again, we've had a lot of date nights, I feel like, recently. We've been very lucky with that, but I just can't wait. So much fun. Again, couldn't recommend the dance class more. Again, probably would only do one class still, but they have packages if you're interested. I'll link the website below if you are interested in doing a dance class. Good morning, happy Saturday. We had such a fun time last night. We were able to make some steak and risotto and vegetables and some chocolate mousse. It was so good. Our instructor, Chef David, was awesome. He was super helpful and super patient. He was wonderful. I learned a lot. I love to cook and bake, so it was nice to get some more hands-on help and experience with that. And then right now, we are just gonna go and head to my cousin Sam's bridal shower. I'm so excited. I haven't seen them in a long time. Well, I guess last month we saw them for my bridal shower. But I get to see my cousin Haley, who I haven't seen in a while. She just got back from Ireland, so I can't wait to hear all of her fun stories and everything that her travels and all the fun stuff, so I can't wait. Sunday, and I've had such a busy day that I didn't even get a chance to catch up about yesterday, but yesterday was so much fun. We had such a great time at Sam's bridal shower. It was co-ed, so the boys were able to go, and they had a great time. They were playing basketball and just messing around, and the girls were able to catch up and just chit-chat and do girly stuff. But it was so great. I miss my cousin so much. My cousin Haley lives in New York, and my cousin Sam lives in Portland. My cousin Bryn also, she lives in LA, but we just don't see her as often as I would like to. But, you know, we're all really busy, so it was really nice just getting to spend time with them and see my aunts and uncles and all that fun stuff. But it was so wonderful. Today has been such a busy day that I think it's about 5 o'clock, and I'm finally catching up with filming, and it was just such a wonderful day. Went to church, and I came back, made some brioche bread. It was so good, actually. I'm excited to use my bread maker more and just try out different recipes and maybe tweak some things, but it's really good. So I would highly recommend. I'll link it below. The best thing, and I think one of my favorite things from this week, was we went to celebrate my cousin Sofia. So Sam is on my mom's side and Sofia is on my dad's side, and we did a little cousins date. So Kat, Sofia, Gabby, and I all went to Din Tai Fung. It was so good. If you've never heard of it, it's a Taiwanese restaurant, and they have one in downtown Disney, and we went there for Sophia's birthday lunch, and it was really good. Gabby and I were saying that it's like a upscale P.F. Chang's, but my cousins didn't agree. We used to love P.F. Chang's back in the day, but it's really, really good, and like such a good little spot for dinner or just maybe even a little date night. It was awesome, and I want to go back. My favorite thing, I think, though, was the taro dumplings, like the dessert dumplings. I don't know. I don't even know what taro is, really, but it was, like, the perfect amount of sweetness, and then, like, you dip it in their, like, sea salt, I don't know, dipping sauce. It was so good. And if you like spicy food, which I don't, and I can't handle any spice, they have, like, spicy noodles, spicy dumplings, and my cousins and my sister ate those, and they said they were amazing. So I think the spicy food is where it's at there, but all the food was really good, and I would highly recommend. But yeah, it's been such a busy week, and I think it's just going to get busier and busier. So I can't wait to take you guys along, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.